Hello, welcome to regression trees overview video. Until now, we have mentioned ID3, C4.5, and CART algorithm for regression. And in all of those algorithms, target value are string. The target column has string classes. This is different. As the target column is golf players and num it's integer. It could be also float too. We are going to apply different approach for regression trees. First of all, we are going to calculate the standard deviation for the target column. It's 9.32. Then we are going to separate data set into subclasses. For example, first data set only have high humidity and second data set only have normal humidity instances. Now we are going to calculate the standard deviation for the first sub data set, and it's equal to 0.36. And now I'm going to calculate the standard deviation for the second sub data set, and it's equal to 8.73. Then I'm going to calculate the weighted standard deviations. I mean that there are 7 instances in the first sub data set and again 7 instances in the second sub data set. By the way, there are 14 instances in the main data set. Here, probability of the first subdata set is equal to 7 over 14 times its standard deviation value plus probability of the second subdata set, which is equal to 7 over 14 times its standard deviation value, and it's calculated here. Then we are going to calculate the reduced standard deviation for this feature. We are going to calculate it as the global standard deviation. We have calculated it in the previous slide. You might remember that. It's calculated here. Reduced value is calculated as global standard deviation minus calculated weighted standard deviation. And we are going to calculate reduced standard deviation for standard deviations for all features in this way, and highest reduced standard deviation score having feature will be the decision node, and we are going to separate the data set into sub data sets based on the classes for the winner feature, and we are going to calculate the reduced standard deviations for the sub data sets in this way. In this way, we are going to calculate, we are going to build a decision tree for regression target values. And in the following video, we are going to adapt this logic into a Python code. Thank you for watching and see you next time.